Hello, welcome to Take a Step to a Better You. The purpose of this is to let you know that sometime I introduced a Share Your Story community, which is the school community. And at that time I was saying, come share your story. But then I realized I'm limiting it now. So the Share Your Story community is there, but it's for people who own communities, school communities. So if you own a community, maybe you've had it for a long time, or you just started a community, or you want to start a community. If you want to start, then I'm showing you in a video that I put on that community outside. So the link in the pinned comment here and in the description, go see the details. I shared everything over there. The way you know if your country is allowed, I also explained over there in the video. And this is almost international. The only thing I'll say, categories. So but you think it like this. If you have some kind of hobby, something you like to do so much, and you want to connect with people who do the same thing, and it's international, you can create a community. A community is free for 2 weeks, and then $9 or $99. What I'll say, start with $9 because the 99 has something that are not in the 9, but at least first understand what's going on before you choose 99. So choose 9 and come, and then as you need it, you can upgrade. So anyone can start this, and you can make money doing this. You can make passive money, meaning money coming every month. Also, you could make money by just promoting this school platform. So for me, I make money in 4 ways. But you could make money, the very easiest one is to invite other people to school. I made some money inviting some people to school, but I do other things. You may not have to do the other things. Like I teach TikTok, I teach YouTube, I teach school. I also charge money in my own communities. But the easiest way is to come and promote this platform. But then also you can't promote the platform unless you have a community. So you could start a community, and then the first thing I'll show you is just promote school, and promote school on the platform itself. So don't worry, you don't have to record TikTok videos, all these other stuff we used to say. No, you can do all this on school, and you could do all this without even needing to show your face. All this is now possible. So the intention here is to invite you to the Share Your Story community, where you share your story. And you can share your story in text, like you just post something and share your story. But those of you who want to be on video, I'll put you in videos. I could even bring you here on YouTube, like I did, who have shared their stories right here. But I'm talking about sharing the stories. They shared both over there and here, but this is not an obligation on YouTube. If you don't want that, you start sharing over there. And if you're not very comfortable, you just share using text. Then as you get more comfortable, you could bring it on video, but you could stay in text only. Go understand it more. I recorded a video, how this whole thing works. Add the comments here, questions, I'll answer them, but I prefer that you go and check it out, okay? Your story communities right now for schoolers. Those are people who own communities. But if you don't have a community today, you could have a community by the end of the day, because it's free to start and I support you. So go check it out.